Hey guys, it's Crystal back with another video for you. So as you can see, the B16 is coming together very nicely, so stay tuned for my update. So the last video update, we were working on the head, and as you can see, now we have the head on the block. I'm so sorry, I kind of got a little bit ahead of myself, but oh my gosh, guys, isn't this so crazy? Everything is looking more complete. I love it. So yeah, guys, I got the head gasket on as well as using ARP head studs. So you know we have nothing but quality parts being used here. So just showing off the engine a little bit more, we have these brand new timing belt covers. Looking very sharp. We've got this brand new engine post mount. As you guys know, I have spared no expense on this engine build. Everything is brand new, guys. We have a new Honda timing belt, new Honda timing belt tensioner. We've got a new Honda water pump, a new Honda oil pump, and yeah, everything else is basically brand new. Cutting down to the bottom, we have this brand new Honda oil pan. So cutting to this footage of the oil pan, I do have a new Battlecraft oil pan baffle. And shout out to my good friend on Instagram, I like the tuna here. He welded the baffle to the oil pan for me, so you know who you are. Shout out to you, thank you so much, homie. So now moving over to the back of the engine here. So every sensor that I have on this engine, guys, has been replaced. We have like the NOx sensor, we have the coolant sensor, any sensor that you can think of, guys. It's been replaced. It is brand new, and yeah, I did not cheap out on this one. Coming over to this side, we have the VTEC sensor. We got these two sensors over here. Not sure what they're called, but we got them. And it is all brand new, so yeah, loving it. Now back to the front of the engine, you see we have these nice new nuts and bolts. So shout out to Resto Tuner on Instagram. That's where I got these from. But yeah, they just really make the engine look super sharp and obviously brand new. I also wanted to mention that we did get the Resto Tuner nut and bolt kit for the intake side, as well as the distributor 3-bolt kit from them as well. I highly recommend them. Their nut and bolt kit has been awesome, and of course it makes the engine look so sharp. So 10 out of 10, guys. I do really like them. If you are in the market for something like that, I would go to them. As you guys can tell, I am working really hard to make this a nice and high quality build for myself, just making sure that everything that I get for it is going to last me a long time and be reliable. So the next thing that I have in store for the build right now is a crank pulley. So I'm just going to show you the OEM crank pulley that I have here. That would normally go there. So as you can see, this definitely does not fit the build. It just looks very outdated and weathered. Of course, this is the OEM one. I also wanted to point out some damage that we have here as well. I mean, I'm putting so much time and money into the engine build. I just don't feel comfortable putting this onto the engine and risk damaging something else. So, and then overall it just looks really worn down and old. So now cutting to what I got to replace it, I have this fluid damper crank pulley. And let me tell you guys, this is gonna look so much better on the engine build. Obviously it's new, so it is damage free. So the really great thing about this is, since it's filled with fluid, it's gonna be spinning centrifugally and just kind of go with the engine, which will provide a really stable and smooth rotation. So we're really excited to get this on. So I will be getting that on. It's just gonna take a little bit of time because I do need to purchase an installer kit, which is a tad bit expensive, like everything in the car world. So gonna hold off on that for just a sec, but you know what I have in store. Okay, so the next thing that we have, you're probably wondering what my plans are for the exhaust manifold. So cut to this DC Sports Carb Legal exhaust manifold. Oh. So yeah, guys, I'm super excited to get this on. I'm just gonna do a little mock fitment for you to try it. See. All right, so this is pretty much how it's gonna look. I'm just gonna put this on real quick. Get that on there. But look how nice it looks. So sharp already. The fitment is very nice. Our welds are looking good. Oh, but yeah, such a good choice. What do you guys think? I am obsessed. So the biggest reason I'm using this exhaust manifold is it is carb legal, which is of course really important. I live in the state of California, so this is nice. I can go get my car smogged and I'm not gonna have any issues with the police, because we all know how crazy that is, especially here in California. So that will definitely help. And then I think this will also give me a horsepower increase. So if you guys know for sure, let me know, but I think this is definitely better than stock. So yeah, guys, this is what it's gonna look like. Obviously nothing is painted yet, but you can see everything is obviously brand new and it's super clean, but overall, love it. Last touch. Ooh. Looks so good. Let me know in the comments what you think down below, but man, I'm so obsessed, guys. So last but not least, you guys are probably wondering about the valve cover and maybe why I didn't go with the red Type R valve cover. So I'm kind of going for that more like OEM look, just something more low-key. Also, a little fun fact, this valve cover was owned by another YouTuber. So like I said, this is from another YouTuber. If you guys know who Tommy Law is, this is from his last Civic build. So this is from the Civic build where he barred his Civic. So he was going for that OEM plus look, which is of course what you guys all know what I'm going for. So kind of cool. I have a little bit of YouTuber Civic history in my build now, and I love it. So yes, that is basically all I have for this video. As you can see, little by little, the engine is coming together and it's looking so good. Guys, the swap is happening soon. Like, it's getting closer and you have been sticking around for it this whole time. So I hope you're just as excited as I am. And definitely let me know in the comments down below if you are liking what I'm doing so far. I am definitely so excited and just pleased with the overall look. It's like refreshing to have everything so brand new and looking so nice. But yeah, so that is basically all I have for this video. Of course, if you liked it, please give me a like down below, subscribe to my channel, and then turn on those notification bells so that you can get notified when I'm getting a video out. If you have any recommendations on the build, please let me know. I am always reading your comments and I'm super interested to know what you all think, so definitely put it down below. So anyway, guys, until next time, QueeenBRZ out.